Hello everyone! With the development of AI, you can now create lines of code without needing to know much about programming. For example, I can use ChatGPT to write a simple command like this. Draw 3 cube boxes, 1 meter by 1 meter, in SketchUp using Ruby. Immediately, ChatGPT gives us a code snippet, and we just need to copy that code into SketchUp to run it. As usual, we go to the Extensions menu, then select Developer. Open the Ruby console, paste the code, and press Enter to execute it. Right away, SketchUp will generate the 3 boxes like this. If the result isn't quite what you need, you can continue working with ChatGPT to make adjustments. But you'll want to save these edits, and you might have lots of ideas for creating other fun or useful code snippets. So how can you store and reuse them easily? That's why I've created a small plugin as a free gift for you, called 5D plus Snippet. When you click the icon in the toolbar, the default interface will show 2 buttons I've created for demonstration. Click the Hello World button, and it will display a dialog saying, Hello World. Or click the Back Center button, and any open dialogues, even if hidden behind other windows, will automatically return to the center of your screen. So how can you customize these buttons and their functions with your own code? First, click the Sample File button to open the folder containing the sample Excel file. Next, copy this file to another location. I'll copy it to my desktop and open it for editing. You'll see the file has 3 columns and multiple rows. Each row represents a button. Now, create a new button by entering the button name in the first column, a description in the second column, and the code to execute in the third column. Once you're done, save the file. Then go back to SketchUp and click the Load Excel button. Choose the Excel file you just saved. You'll now see the button names you created appear in SketchUp, just like in the Excel file. Try clicking the buttons and enjoy the results. Simple, right? Thanks for watching, and see you next time.